We just talked about how we could incorporate video into our projects if we were using video that was being served up in an iframe. That would include video that was coming from YouTube or Vimeo or some other outside vendor. In some situations, though, you might be hosting your own video and you might be using the HTML5 video tag to do so. So here I have a modified page. It is set up very similarly to the whale shark page that we were just working on, but I've created a 7-gill shark page because I didn't have any video of whale sharks, so I had some of 7 gills. Anyways, here is my page, and this is what it looks like without any sort of responsive control. So you can see that we have some issues with our video. Our video does display in the page, but it is spilling out of the container, and that's a result of the video having a width and height attribute assigned to it. So it doesn't fit in the aside tag, and then obviously when I resize my browser window, eventually I'll get horizontal scroll bars because once again the video is displaying at a fixed size. So we want the video to act responsively like we did when we used the iframe based video. So let's look at how we can accomplish that. Here's the HTML, and I'm not going to go through all of the code because it really is set up exactly like the whale shark page. I've just swapped out some of the content so that it has information on 7-gill sharks. The only new bit of HTML code that I added was in the article tag. I added a video tag. So this is just the HTML5 video tag. You pass on width and height attributes. I've specified that I wanted the controls to display, and then I'm simply setting the source to my MP4, and if that's not available, I'll revert to the OGG format. And if the browser doesn't understand either of those, it'll just say your browser does not support the video tag. So that's pretty basic video element information. So now all we need to do is incorporate our code so that this works appropriately. So I'm going to come up to my CSS, and I've left in the comments that we had in the last exercise for the video code. So we'll just go ahead and put our video in there. This time I'm going to use the selector of video, since that is the HTML tag that we happen to be using. And what we're going to add here is we're going to add a width of 100%, and then I'm going to add a height of auto. So very similar to what we have done with images in the past. And that's pretty much it. If I save my page and we go refresh in the browser, you can now see that my video is resized and my video now plays in the window. And if I resize my screen, you can see that the video is going to act responsively, and it too will resize with the screen. So no matter how big or small my screen gets, the video is going to resize accordingly. And so there you have it. Now we have embedded video content working in a responsive way as well.